We already had a solid sense of what Samsung had in store for the Galaxy Watch 8 series, but now a fresh leak has left little to the imagination. Everything's out: the specs, the features, and even the pricing for all three models: the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and the all-new Watch Ultra, set to debut in 2025. And yes, the lineup includes some meaningful upgrades, alongside a few price hikes. According to the latest scoop from D-Labs, Samsung is finally addressing a long-requested feature: more storage for the higher-end models. Both the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and Watch Ultra are expected to offer 64 gigabytes of internal storage, doubling the previous capacity. Meanwhile, the standard Watch 8 sticks with 32 gigabytes. All three watches will be powered by Samsung's new Exynos W1000 chip, promising a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness across the board. In terms of design and materials, each model brings its own unique style to the table. The standard Galaxy Watch 8 will come in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and ships with a straightforward silicone band. The Watch 8 Classic elevates things with a premium hybrid strap, blending leather and rubber for a more sophisticated look. As for the Watch Ultra, it retains last year's sport-focused band, but introduces a fresh new color to keep things interesting. One important detail: the Watch 8 Classic doesn't include LTE on every variant, whereas LTE is standard on the Ultra. So if staying connected without your phone matters to you, that could be a key consideration. Now let's talk pricing. And yes, it's going up. Based on this France-based leak, both the standard Watch 8 and the Classic are seeing about a 20% price hike compared to their predecessors. Interestingly, the Watch Ultra holds steady at last year's price point. Here's how the lineup breaks down. The Watch 8 starts at €379 for the 40mm Bluetooth version and goes up to €459 for the 44mm model with LTE. The Watch 8 Classic is priced at $529 for Bluetooth and $579 with LTE. The Watch Ultra comes in at €699. The leak also points to a July 23rd release date, which lines up with Samsung's next Unpacked event. And if you're already convinced, pre-orders are reportedly live now, so you can lock in your device early. So what do you think? Are these upgrades worth the added cost, or do the price hikes push you away? Either way, 2025 is shaping up to be a major year for Samsung's wearable lineup. Stay tuned for more Galaxy news, and I'll catch you in the next one.